which after healing everything, I was not able to come over from that. When I started concentrating on my right leg, I started irritated like that. That's why I gone there and I said,
yes, I saw it.
after the relaxation, I started concentrating on my. While you told to see the mirror image of your that particular trauma, I imagined a mirror. In that, I was seeing the image of I don't have a leg right side. I have a plastic leg. It's artificial leg.
Oh.
In that, and then I started confusing. In that state of mind only.
Yeah.
And again, in this life, why it triggered means we have a gold shop. Usually we stand it more time we are on standing only while managing the shop. So I don't like that standing thing. I am very lazy person, so.
Oh. So then
my leg started communicating, and while communicating, it started relaxing again.
How are you feeling now?
Yeah, it's great.
So watch the whole day.
Sorry?
I said watch your leg.
Yeah, yeah.
The whole day. How today? How you're feeling, and then let me know in a couple of days.
That light came, and I imagined that the light is washing the pain, and it came out in the form of cotton light. Now I am feeling really great.
Oh, super! So imagine, in that mirror, he saw a leg which was amputated, and there was a plastic leg, a kind of a prosthetic, is what you saw.
That could tilt from my thighs, and the pain was also from here only.
Oh. So imagine, that lifetime, that trauma, is still in that same place. Fantastic. Wow. So this is a very simple exercise. It takes about 30 minutes. Yeah? But the more you communicate, because that body knows the secret. Anna, body, where is your mind? Tell me. Show me your mind. Everybody point to your mind. Come on. Point to your mind. It's everywhere. So in that leg, the mind is there. And that mind is responding to his problem. Fantastic. Amazing. Could you ever think that this was the reason?
No, not at all.
Not at all. Why would somebody think my leg was amputated and I have a prosthetic leg there? Yeah? But see, the mind mirrors it, shows the picture to you. Anyone else would like to share? Fantastic. Could you focus on your part of your body?
Yes, madam. Yes.
Light.
Focus on the part of your body?
Yes.
And filled it with light, with healing light. Yeah. But this is very important. The mirror. Okay? Because that part of your body has a story. When you access the story, healing takes place. Remember. Filling it with light is also good. But till you access that story, healing will not be complete. You can keep healing, keep healing, keep healing. But accessing that story, that script, that trauma is very important in life. Okay? So please remember this. See to it that through imagination, through thought, any which way, the person accesses the trauma. So let's break for lunch. We come back, do have a light lunch, everyone, because I want you all to experience a fast ride session. Okay? And also I want you to spend some time doing those 2 pages so that we can focus on your problem, each one of you. Alright? So, just to take the conversation further about the body, if our body has got intelligence, then our body should be also able to answer. So, you know techniques of how your body can answer? So, I am going to call somebody. Who was sleeping in the session? Come. How is the body going to tell us? By moving either in the front or back. So, what's your name? Mallika Arjun. Kya naam hai? Wah, wah. So, Mallika, are you 60 years old? See where the body went? So, no. Mallika, are you married? Mallika, are you hungry? Mallika, are you happy? Now the body is moving on its own. Mallika, are you feeling hot? Can you see how the body is moving? It's moving on its own. You don't have to move the body. It moves on its own. This body knows many things that you don't know. Mallika, are you an angry person? Go. So, can you see? Sometimes things that the person is not saying, the body can tell you. It's called kinesthesia. We work with the body. So I want you to now get into pairs, you and your partner. And I want you to ask 5 questions to your partner and see the movement of the body. Okay? Come on. Get up. Take your partners.
Madam, what to ask? Direction.
Whatever you want to ask.
5 things.
Any 5 things. So you get a yes, no answer. Secrets of your partner. Come on quickly. ओके चलिए हम लोग वापस आ जाएंगे की है आप इस तरह से भी कर सकते हैं सो पुट योर हैंड्स लाइक फिंगर्स लाइक दिस ऐसे करिए हाँ लॉक करिए इसको ऐसे टाइट करिए और कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं डू इट विथ योर पार्टनर सेम पार्टनर सपोज ये उसका हाथ है ओके फिंगर है अब मैं पूछ रही हूँ कि आर यू अ मैन अगर नहीं है तो बाहर आ जाएगा नो यस है तो ऐसे ही रहेगा ट्राई करिए हाँ जैसे कि अभी इनका हाथ है हाँ सो आई एम आस्किंग हिम आर यू हैप्पी नहीं है अगर मैं पूछा आर यू एंग्री वीक है कितनी भी कोशिश करेंगे अगर फॉल्स है तो निकल नहीं जाएगा कोशिश करिए इस तरह से भी आप पूछ सकते काइनेस्थेसिया में यस और नो ट्रू और फॉल्स हम पूछ सकते हैं तो बोला कि ट्रू और फॉल्स जब आप किसी के साथ कर रहे हैं काम पे विद अ क्लाइंट डोंट टेल द पर्सन कि ये माने ट्रू और ये माने फॉल्स आप प्रिपेयर मत करो उसके माइंड को आप सिर्फ बोलो अच्छा I'm going to ask you some important questions. Can you please give me your finger and then ask? So then the body will have no chance to, your brain will have no chance to stop. वो अपने आप होगा. So उनको कहने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको. ये तो मैंने आपको बताया कि true false ऐसे होता है. But with the patient it can do like that. Finger ही बताएगा ना आपको, हाथ ही बताएगा. You will not know what we are doing. समझ रहे हो? Try करना with your subjects, okay? कभी भी कर सकते हैं. Okay. So now let's play another game. So then you will all activated. So now I want you all to sit back to back. So who are the A's? Raise your fingers. A's. A ट्रांसमीटर कौन बनेगा ग्रुप में आपका दोनों में से? ट्रांसमीटर सबको समझ में आ गया आपके में कौन ट्रांसमीटर है? ओके. एंड द अदर इज द रिसीवर. नाउ द ट्रांसमीटर आई विल से नेम ऑफ अ फ्रूट. फल का नाम. सपोज द ट्रांसमीटर को फल का नाम 3 बार सोचना है. जो भी आपको सोचना है, कोई भी फल, फ्रूट, ओके? और ट्रांसमीटर को 3 बार सोचकर रिसीवर को देना है. बोल के नहीं, टेलीपैथिकली. टेलीपैथी से रिसीवर को देना है. और रिसीवर आप कैसे टेलीपैथिकली पिकअप करेंगे? आप कोई भी थॉट अपार्ट फ्रॉम फ्रूट मन में आने नहीं देंगे. You will allow all thoughts to become quiet and then see which fruit name is coming to you. हिंदी में बोल रही हूँ. जो ट्रांसमीटर है वो फल का नाम है. जो भी मैं कहूंगी, कलर का नाम, फल का नाम, कुछ भी है, वो सोचेगा 3 बार. और 3 बार सोच के वो रिसीवर को फेंकेगा. और रिसीवर उसको सोच सोच के ब्लाइंड करके माइंड को जो भी आ रहा है उसको आने देने का और लिखने का है रिसीवर को. एवरीबॉडी?
Yes.